Hello and welcome to our beginner's guide to burning CDs and DVDs with your Facebook chat app. In this video, we'll show you how to use Facebook's chat app to create CDs and DVDs that you can use for backup, sharing files, and more. Part 1: Getting started. To get started, you'll need to download the Facebook chat app if you haven't already. Once you have the app open, click on the Create CD, DVD button in the chat menu. Part 2: Selecting files. Next, you'll want to select the files you want to burn to your CD or DVD. You can do this by selecting the Add Files button and browsing through your device's storage to find the files you want to add. You can select multiple files at once by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on the files. Part 3: Choosing a burner. Once you have your file selected, you'll need to choose a burner to use for your CD or DVD. If you have an external burner connected to your device, you can select it from the list of available burners. If you don't have an external burner, you can use your device's built-in burner to create a virtual disk image. Part 4: Burning the disk. Now it's time to burn the disk. Before you start, make sure that you have enough space on your CD or DVD to accommodate all the files you want to burn. Once you're ready, click on the Burn button and wait for the process to complete. Part 5: Finishing up. After the burning process is complete, you'll be able to eject the disk and use it for backup, sharing files, or whatever else you need it for. If you want to create another CD or DVD, simply repeat the steps we've covered in this video. Conclusion: that's it for our beginner's guide to burning CDs and DVDs with your Facebook chat app. We hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.